not normal?
No.
Something's loose somewhere.
We're gonna pull off.
Gnarly, dude. You got a squirrel.
It's like under me or behind me.
Sounds like it's right here.
Is it?
Seems to be speed related.
Is it right underneath me?
I don't know.
Where am I going?
Turn left.
Alright, we're gonna pull off.
Turn right. Just wherever. There's a stop sign right here. Probably pull right here.
What? Noise. Alright, we're going looking for it. Alright.
We're pretty fucking funny, aren't we? Go faster, Shawn. Go faster.
I was like, if it was 4 more forward, I would think, fuck, that sounds like a bearing. About to throw a rod.
Doesn't it sound good?
Sounds like a little hummingbee.